Hello you lovely people and welcome back to my channel again. What is this about? Well, I think the description there says it's all, basically. As it is November right now, it is quite cold and well, it's basically my BMW and my BMW. It's a weird thing to say. I have a BMW 116i Sport car and I have a BMW 11200GS Enduro Motorbike. This is basically two BMWs, two cold starts. I'm just going to show you my car, how it looks nice since it's been mended, have a nice cold start and rev it a bit. But then this main one is basically about my bike. I had it MOT'd, which is top notch. It passed. That was in end of September, and then it was supposed to be booked in a month later for a service, as it's an annual service. But given the fact that, as I said in the last car video, that I had to have it mended, and it costed me £200 odd, maybe a bit more, I couldn't afford to pay the £250 to get my bike serviced. And so since the end of September, I haven't turned my engine over. It's been on a trickle feed, as you're supposed to do with anything you don't use for months on end, but I haven't turned it over. I spoke to my friend yesterday, and he said you should at least turn your engine over at least once every 2 weeks if you're not using it on a regular basis, like we use the cars on a regular basis, so it's fine. But on a bike, you should at least turn it over once every 2 weeks, because obviously the oil lubricates everything. If there's no oil there, but there is oil there, but the oil, obviously gravity sends it down, so my engine is here and my oil is here at the minute. So I'm hoping to get the engine and everything to push the oil back up there to lubricate it, and I'll have to start lubricating it over every 2 weeks, which isn't too bad really. It's every 2 weeks turn it over, because basically I bought this bike and I haven't used it much. Basically I've done about 1,500 miles on it this year, and I'll explain more about this later on once I see if it actually turns on, if it actually breaks, because it's not lubricated, so it could break for all I know, but we'll find out if it does break or not. So it's basically, and basically as well, when you turn over my BMW motorbike, it makes much more noise, much more of a growl. So that's going to be a mint bit for you to see. A cold start as well. You'll have loads of smoke coming out of the engine because it's very, very cold. Obviously, it's November now. It's like 6 degrees, 5 degrees, 6 degrees in the day, -1, 2 degrees at night. It's freezing. It's in a garage, which is nice, but it's still cold. It's going to be a freezing cold thing. So let's hope for the best on that. I'm going to show you the bike. I'm not going to get it out. I will get it out another time when the weather's better, because it does look a bit slippy out there and a bit wet. And it's 10 grand, this bike. My car is 6 grand. My bike is 10 grand. I use my car on a regular basis. I use my bike not very regular. Is my bike 10 grand sitting in a garage pointless? Should I get rid of the bike and get a cheaper bike, and then put that money I get off the bike into a better car by selling my other car and get that? Or do I keep my car, upgrade it, like exhaust, tinted windows, give it a computer boost to like enhance the power, etc, etc, or do I keep what I've got, do some more upgrades on it and keep my BMW bike? There's nothing I can do on my bike now. There's no upgrades I can do. That's all there is to it. So do I get rid of that bike and get another bike where I can upgrade? What do you think? Comment down below and let me know what it is about. Don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for the current 18. I've lost a subscriber for some reason. Don't know why. Anyway, if any more people watch this, please subscribe, tick the notification bell, and comment what you think I should do. So basically, this was all damaged. New registration plate, that was all damaged. That was all damaged there. That was all damaged here. And that was all damaged. What did you think of that? Hi, and as you can see, my bike is here. And it has actually just started to kind of rain a little bit, so that's the reason I'm not going on my bike, because it is raining, it is wet the ground, and that's 10 grand, and I want myself to be safe. So this is just basically, I'm going to show you it, and I'm going to do a cold start, and you see what it show you how all the smoke comes out, etc, etc, etc. So let's do this. So yes, this is my bike, as you can see. Let's see if it turns over. Find out now. That it actually pushed my camera over. That's how loud it is, how much pressure's in it. How good does that sound? Bloody hell, man. So what did you think about that? Did you like the engine starting? Yes, I know my exhaust on my motorbike is a lot louder, but it's a motorbike. The reason why we have loud motorbikes is because when we filter through traffic, and because we ain't got metal around us like in a car, we have to pull our the throttle, makes a noise so that people know we are there, because so many fools on the road these days. But what did you think? Did you like the bike? Did you like the car? Which sounds better to you? Should I change the exhaust? Should I keep my car and change the exhaust of my car to make it more growly? Should I tint the windows? Not stupidly tint, just to make it nicer. Should I upgrade it? What do you think? Should I get rid of my bike and get one where I can actually upgrade it and actually have more features on it, and then put maybe another exhaust on it, make it different? What do you think? You tell me in the description below. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe again. If you haven't already, subscribe please, that'd be brilliant. Like, comment, all that stuff, notification bell, and I will hopefully see you very soon. See you later and goodbye.